a preference, my sir? I found out. I googled you earlier. True. I'm a fanboy to you. Knob Creek, Sergio's favorite. Sergio's. We have bigger. Knob Creek brought interviews by John Schwartz. Sergio, you've been around the industry for quite some time, haven't you?
Yeah.
It's really not good for plants, man. Aren't you one of the leading providers for the whole green efforts?
Publicity.
See, that's I've always tried to get into that.
AIDS, yeah.
AIDS is a very important issue in the States. Are you not for AIDS?
No.
Well, there we go. At least you said.
Oh, no.
Okay. So you do some. You're a corporate American Eagle.
Yeah, I like to wear the clothes.
You like to? They're very comfortable. They're really cool. You have your career about you. How did this get started? How did your cell phone another name drop with the Android? You always have the most up to date technology.
It's actually pretty old, so.
It's better than the iPhone. Am I right? Am okay. Your family. Your mother was diagnosed with rape. 16. I'm sorry that I laugh every time.
Her wife actually made it to this movie called Precious.
The novel Push by Sapphire.
No, Precious by Tyler Perry.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, so your mom was when she played the pivotal part in that movie, or she was the.
She was a stand-in, I think, for the girl at Wendy's.
Okay.
Taking the order.
Does she like
Either that or the
Wendy's?
Frosty machine. No, she can't stay in that place. No.
Oh, okay. Just how did that motivate you in your life? Obviously, it puts you to a prominent place to where you are now. Did it not? Or did it have an antithesis? Did it have the anti-effect on that?
The anti-effect?
Yeah, because something pivotal like that.
I ask you a question, you can at least answer it.
I don't want to talk about that. And then nobody would bring up the.
Hello? Yeah.
Sergio Luna, everybody, brought to you by Knob Creek.